Hey everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop and I remind you that we post new videos every day. So let's talk about this magazine. It's called Skirts and Trousers. In addition to skirts and trousers, there are also shirts. Looking through it, I realized that in the magazine all the information is such a mess, and I do not know how to review it for you. I decided to talk separately about trousers, skirts and shirts. Because there are so many shirts. I hope you now know this thanks to our courses. It's time for you to model interesting shirts, but today we are talking about trousers. Why is the theme of trousers is so important? Because before modeling trousers you need to see what is now fashionable. Everyone around is talking about this, giving you advices. I am not always ready to listen to stylists, because they not always know what they are talking about. I bought in Paris this magazine, Skirts and Trousers, and we will consider it. In the other day, we will be modeling more than one pants and also consider the fabrics from which I am going to sew these pants. In addition, at the end we will have an overview of the finished product. Today we are talking about trousers. Any recommendation from stylists or famous designers doesn't mean that all these tips are true. When somebody told you that cropped trousers are in fashion, this is not true, because in fashion is also long pants. When somebody told you that the fashion trousers above the ankle are in fashion, it is not true, because it can be shorter and lower than the ankle. When somebody told us that wide pants are in fashion now, this means that tight pants are also in fashion. In general, fashion has never offered such huge variety of pants as now. We see it, we like it, we want it, we got it. Of the variety that I show you, I will choose something for myself, and each of you will also choose something for yourself. I want change. The time for change is coming. I'm tired of the trousers that we wore for years. Tired of the skirts that are up to the knee. Of course they should be in our wardrobe, but we cannot wear it from everyday basis. Well, I'm talking too much. Let's open the book. Today we are talking about trousers. In the next video we will talk about skirts and shirts. And now pants. As you can see, I made bookmarks for myself. I just got on the shorts page, it's not our theme right now. So firstly, what I want to say, I really like these pants. Not very low, but not too high waist. Pockets free, most likely it is cotton. Sport pockets above the knee on the side. In the summer these pants are perfect. Also we can see open belly and trench. You can wear it without a bare belly, of course. These pants are close to classic. There are two pinches here. I think the back also has pockets. Two tucks, regular golf, just about the ankles and a small lapel. Pay attention to the shirt, safari style. Trousers for a short in a safari style without safari elements. It is very comfortable. If you have a safari shirt and you make a safari pants, then you can only wear these pants with this shirt. And that makes no sense. And in this look, everything is perfect. These trousers can be worn with shirts, blouses, t-shirts, with anything. Look at that beautiful pants. Also sports pants. There are more pockets here, two pockets. They are pleated in safari style. Cropped trousers on the thighs. We will consider all the pages so far, so you will understand that a variety of fashionable trousers is unbelievable. That is why it cannot be said that only one model of trousers is in fashion. Next pants. Here you can see an interesting front end, very loose pants. But the most interesting thing is that the front part consists of two leggings. You can put your hand under it, and the lower part is sewn to the lining. We have not seen such trousers. We can make such ones. Nothing special here. Tucks. The bottom is assembled on elastic band, but not too tight. There is freedom. Ordinary pocket. It will be very convenient to use it because there is a pinch. I want these trousers for sure. I've seen so many of these. Spacious, but not culottes. They look like my striped trousers. You and I modeled them. We have already speak about this topic before. I love these trousers very much, but I have them shorter. I want these pants so much. Please text me in the comments what pants do you prefer. Complicated belt, or these ordinary trousers and a belt is sewn to the side, which is fastened with a buckle. Not wide, not narrow, ordinary trousers. Here is the trousers have a take-off on the second side from the middle. There it is. Take this idea for the experiment. Let's move on. High waist. Ordinary length to shoes, extended. I want these pants. In the next review, I will show you the fabric from which I will make myself something like this. Maybe even red. The usual waist. Regular trousers with lapel. There is nothing special here anymore. Sequins, grids, we do not need this. Color. You can see the costume. A long jacket resembling a frock coat, a loose shirt. This cut we are able to sew. Smooth trousers just about the ankles, not wide. Very nice. A suit with the same colored trousers. Many colors. Pants are loose and very light. These are pants with a belt. Very bright neon colors. And transparent, unlined. High-waisted pants, very high-waisted. And here is a belt wound. There is nothing special in the cut. Pockets. Pay attention to how inconvenient to put your hands in your pockets if there are no pinches. As for me, it looks really ugly. If you sew trousers on a figure and pockets fulfill a decorative function, you do not need to put your hands in your pockets. Do more freedom, because you can't walk like that. There are a variety of pants, cotton, silk trousers. Pockets are not deep and wide. From any colored fabric, such pants will look fashionable. Here is a striped organza, but it is dangerous in it. It is very easy to tear. Let's move on. This suit is gorgeous. I really want it for myself. Short-sleeved jacket and loose trousers, about the ankles. Lace trousers. The lining ends there. Button and cut. The side seam goes into the incision and it all fastens on the cuff on the bottom. It looks interesting. I wouldn't do that for myself, of course. Lace pants of any style, lining with shorts. On young girls, that looks very beautiful. In suits like this, you will always be a star wherever you go. Lining can be done to the end. Colorful suits of any color always look very interesting and beautiful. Finally, floral drawings are in fashion now. Now is not the time for huge prints.
Вот такие огромные такие вот эти принты, ну как бы сейчас не их время, точно. Смотрим дальше.
Next pants, close up of white pants, blue flowers. This is not for everybody, of course, but if you really like it, be sure to do it. Suits, overalls, splitting lace, small pattern, suit, all interesting. Evening options for trousers and overalls. Sequins. Sequins look very beautiful. Tighter pants, big embroidered with lace, gold, silver, disco option. Please note that the both wide and narrow trousers are fashionable. There are a million evening options. And guess what? I want all of them. I love white color. A small drawing on a suit, trousers above the ankle, on the cuff, but white. Beautiful silhouette. Soon we will be working on a silhouette of trousers. There are not just trousers that sit well on us and show everything in us. We do not need this. Now even Italians and Parisian girls wear simple loose trousers. But I don't want simple trousers. I want elegance in freedom. Normal fit, regular pants, peerless lace costume. White suit with a black collar, and she's wearing red shoes.
К нему одета какая-то рыжая обувь, никто не парится, что если там у нас пуговица черная, значит босоножка должна быть черная. Это уже все в прошлом, осталось веки.
Leather pants. I know that everyone likes leather, but we must ask Lenny to help us sew leather trousers. This page is called Denim. Look at all new forms of jeans, shiny strip. It is also jeans, an absolutely classic suit, and they are unusual only in that the pants that are beautiful. Blue suit, details. I saw a lot of these trousers that go straight from the hip and then diverge. Hemmed wide down, hard fabric, and this effect makes every leg look like a skirt. It looks unusual and therefore very stylish. Just look how our jeans from our youth were reborn, completely reborn. Pants are very tight, loose about the ankles. I also bought jeans of this color for myself. These are remind me of 90s, from the knee flared, pink, flared again, very narrow. A huge amount of options. We will talk about this magazine 2 more times. This is also denim.
Это тоже деним, все продолжается деним.
See how the
Посмотрите,
pants
какие
are
брюки,
sewn.
вот.
A lot of
Хорошо.
stitches.
Видите, сколько швов? А это говорит о чем? Что в каждый можно что-то забрать. Круто. Отстрочка по центру.
The delay in the center is not reaching the bottom of 50 centimeters. Almost classic jeans, but they are cut off about the knee. And this is my favorite model. White trousers with a lapel and about the ankle.
Широковатенькие такие брючки с отворотиками выше щиколотки. Ну и клетка.
And now it's time for sale. I think there are sale lovers among us. Cropped, high-waisted, stripe, white, not white.
Широкие, не широкие.
Pink pants. How ugly it looks again when they put trousers into pockets without folds. Short, ordinary, great costume. A top and a jacket are made of the same fabric. And the usual white pants.
И обычные вот такие широковатенькие, слегка укороченные брючки. Сегодня с вами поговорили о брюках.
Today we spoke with you about trousers. I think that by looking at all the models that I showed you, you will agree with me that you can't give advice on trousers. Too many of them. The only trousers that you can't wear are the ones that sitting too good on us and showing all that we have. Because as a result, such pants can be worn only with a long shirt. Otherwise, every detail is visible behind. And this is not beautiful. It is out of fashion, and our students will never wear it. Today I told you about trousers. We will return to this topic, of course. I will show you the fabrics and we will start modeling. Me and my team always ready to answer your questions about pants and other topics. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to this channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.